Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do mental maths in our mathematics class. This is chapter 10, measurements. Now, we all know how do we measure things. Distances, they are measures in meter, millimeter, centimeter, kilometer. Then we have weighing things. We measure them in milligram, gram. Then we have milk, liquid, water. We measure them in liters, milliliters, etc. Now let us understand the metric table. This table is known as metric table, and we are supposed to know about this metric table because we have to convert the smaller units to the greater units and the greater units into smaller units. So we should know the table first and then we'll learn about the conversion. Now let us start with the table. See here, the unit of lengths are centimeter, meter, kilometer. The same thing applies with the unit of weighing, that is mass, that is gram, kilogram, milligram. Then unit of volume, that is liquid, that becomes centiliter, liter, then kiloliter, or it is also known as liter. Now, 10 milliliters, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. This is a table. We don't have to do any calculation, no changes, no addition, no subtraction. We have to know this table as it is. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. This table goes further also. That is 10 meters equals to 1 decameter. Then 10 decameter equals to 1 hectometer. Ten hectometer equals to 1 kilometer. So, the table goes like this: milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilometer. The same table goes for gram. It would be like this: 10 milligrams equal to 1 centigram. 10 centigrams equal to 1 decigram. 10 decigrams equal to 1 gram. 10 grams equal to 1 decagram. 10 decagrams equal to 1 hectogram. 10 hectograms equal to 1 kilogram. So the table is like this: milli, centi, deci, gram, deca, hecto, kilogram. The same goes for liter also. So 10 milliliters equal to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters equal to 1 deciliters. 10 deciliters equals to 1 liter. 10 liters equal to 1 decaliters. 10 decaliters equal to 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters equal to 1 kiloliter. So children, we know these three metric tables. You can learn it in short form: milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilometer. Now, let us see some other measurement units. See here, 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. I told you now we have to convert the smaller unit into greater unit and greater into smaller. Now let us understand how this 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. See here, this is meter is here, and when we go down, we go 3 zeros down, 10 into 10 into 10. So when we go down, we multiply. Means when we are converting smaller unit into greater unit, we divide. But when we convert greater unit into smaller unit, we multiply. So 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer. 1 by 10 of the meter is equal to 1 decimeter. Now let us see where is 1 meter. 1 meter is here. 1 by 10 of meter is equal to 1 decimeter. See, 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. So when we'll convert this decimeter into meter, what it will be? 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter. So 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter. So this is equals to 1 decimeter. The same is 1 by 100 of 1 meter is 1 centimeter. Now let us understand first centimeter. See, centimeter is here, meter is here. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 100 means 10 into 10 means 10 into 10 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Or we can write 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now 1 centimeter is equal to what? It will be 1 by 100 meter. Now 1 by 1000 of a meter is equal to 1 millimeter. The same applies here. See here, 1, 2, 3 zeros and 1 meter is here. So 10 into 10 into 10 millimeter equals to 1 meter. Now means 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter will be 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 1000 meter. The units of weight are gram, kilogram, etc. Now 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. We know. See, milligram, centigram, decigram. So 0, 0, 0. 10 into 10 into 10. So it is 1000 equals to 1 gram. Got it? So 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 kg is equal to 1 quintal. 100 kg is equal to 1 quintal, and 1000 kg is equal to 1 ton. The units for measuring liquids are milliliters, liters. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. See here. See, 1 liter is here, milliliter is here. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. 10 into 10 into 10, that becomes 1000. Now let us come to the questions. Question number 1, write the following as decimals. Means we have to convert the units from one unit to another. 55 millimeter, we have to convert it into centimeter. Now let us see the table. See, milliliter is here, centimeter is here. Means 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10. Means 1 by 55. That is 1 by 10 into 55. So it will be 55 by 10 or equals to 5.5 centimeter. We know that there is 1 zero means 1 decimal from right hand side. So it is 5.5 centimeter. Now come to question number 9. 34 kilometer, 567 meter. We have to convert this into kilometer. Now 34 kilometer, it remains as it is, 34 kilometer. Now 567 meter, we have to convert that into kilometer. Now we know that 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 567 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 into 567. So it will be equal to 0.567. Now we'll add 34 plus 0.567. So it will be 34.567 kilometer. So 34.567 kilometer. Or you can do straight away also. Just count the numbers. we know that 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. So we'll count the number from the right hand side and put the decimal. We'll write all the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All numbers together. And then we'll count 3 from the right hand side. Because 1000 has 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 and put a decimal. This will become 34.567 kilometer. Now come to question number 15. 40 liter, 59 milliliter. We have to convert them into liter. Now 40 we know. We'll write everything together. 40. Then it is 59 milliliter. So what is missing? Milliliter is having 1000 means 3 zeros. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So 3 zeros, we need 3 numbers here. Here it is 2 only. So we'll write 1 zero. So 0, 5, 9. And then we'll count from the right hand side 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 40.059 liters. Or you can convert like this also. 40 take as it is 59 milliliter. See, 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. So 1 ml is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. 59 ml equals to 1 by 1000. Now let us do question number 2. 100 kg equals to how many quintals? It is 1 quintal. Thousand kg is equal to how many ton? It is 1 ton. 1000 mg is equal to how many gram? It is 1 gram. You can see here in table it is given. See here 1000 mg milligram is equal to 1 gram. 100 kg is equal to 1 quintal and 1000 kg is equal to 1 ton. Now let us do question number 8. That is 1 by 1000 liter is equal to how many milliliters? We know that 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. So 1 milliliter equals to 1 by 1000 liter. The same is written here. Means this is 1 milliliters. So this is all about question number 1 and 2 of chapter 10 measurement. Now rest you will do as homework. Thank you children.